What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Every Thought community. I'm going to talk quickly about the fasting template. Fasting is to abstain from food for spiritual purposes. Yes, it is to abstain from food, because everywhere in the Bible we find fasting. It's always to abstain from food, some type of food or food all in general. Richard Foster, in his book Celebration of Disciplines, he says that there's two primary purposes why we fast. The first one is to fix our eyes on God. It's to fix our eyes on Christ so that we can be transformed into his image, so that we can spend devoted time looking at God. The second one is to show us what controls us, in Galatians 5, 16 through 22, we kind of see this warfare between the flesh and the spirit, and we want to crown the spirit over the flesh. We want to deny ourselves so that we can gain Christ in our lives and so that we can enjoy the things that he enjoys. So I do not believe that there is a better way to do that than to fast, to abstain from food so that we can go to Christ and have more of him.